Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Easy Finance channel, where we make financial education easy to understand for everyone. Today we're talking about another super important thing, savings and how to start an emergency fund. Imagine this, your car suddenly breaks down and you need money to fix it. Or worse, you lose your job unexpectedly. What do? If you have savings, you're safe. If not, you might have to borrow money or use a credit card, which can create even bigger financial problems. That's why today, we're going to break it down in a very simple way. No complicated words, no confusing theories. Just real-life tips that anyone can follow. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy financial tips that can help you manage your money better. Let's get into it. Why is saving important? Let's say you earn money every month, but you spend it all. You don't think about the future because everything seems fine right now. But then something unexpected happens. Your fridge stops working and you need a new one. You get sick and need to pay for medicine. Your pet has an emergency and the vet bill is expensive. If you don't have savings, these unexpected expenses can stress you out and force you to borrow money. But if you have an emergency fund, you just take the money from there. No stress, no debt. You handle the problem and move on with your life. That's why saving is important. It gives you peace of mind and financial security. What is an emergency fund? An emergency fund is a small money cushion that helps you deal with surprises. It's like having a safety net when you walk on a tightrope. If you fall, the net catches you. But bear in mind, because it is of crucial importance, this fund should only be used for real emergencies, not for shopping, vacations, or new gadgets. An emergency is something unexpected and urgent, like losing your job, a medical emergency, a sudden car repair. You get the idea. This is money you set aside for when life throws problems at you. How much should you save? A good emergency fund should cover at least 3 to 6 months of essential expenses, meaning essential needs. Remember, needs are the things you must have in order to live a basic, comfortable life. Do not confuse needs with wants. Now we're talking about needs, strictly. That means rent or mortgage, food, utility bills, electricity, water, gas, internet, transportation, gas, public transport, health insurance, or medical costs. But if you're just getting started, don't worry about big numbers. Even $500 or $1,000 can help a lot in an emergency. The most important thing is to start. Step 1. Start small. A lot of people don't save because they think they need a lot of money to start. But that's not true. Let's say you put aside $5 per week. That's $20 per month and $240 per year. Not bad, right? And if you can save $10 per week, that's $520 in a year. The key is to start with whatever you can. Even a small amount adds up over time. And don't forget, if you're enjoying this video and find the information useful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more useful financial tips. Step 2. Cut unnecessary expenses. Now let's find some extra money for savings. Here's a challenge. Look at your last bank statement and see where your money goes. You might find things like eating out too much. $10 per meal adds up fast. Unused subscriptions. Are you really watching all those streaming services? Impulse shopping. Buying things just because they're on sale, even if you don't really need them. If you cut just $50 per month, that's $600 per year. A great start for an emergency fund. Try this. For 1 month, track every dollar you spend. You'll be surprised at how much money you could save by making small changes. Step 3. Automate your savings. One of the easiest ways to save money is to set it and forget it. Here's how. Open a separate savings account for emergencies. Set up automatic transfers from your main account to your savings. Even $20 per month adds up over time. This way, you don't even have to think about saving. It happens automatically. Do you find these tips helpful? Then don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss our future lessons. Step 4. Earn extra money. Sometimes cutting expenses is not enough. If you want to save faster, consider earning some extra money. Here are a few ideas. Sell things you don't need. Old clothes, gadgets, furniture. Do freelance work. Writing, designing, tutoring. Drive for a ride-share service or deliver food. Babysit or pet sit. Even if you make an extra $50 per week, that's $200 per month, which can go straight into your emergency fund. Step 5. Keep your savings safe. Now that you've started saving, don't be tempted to spend it. Keep your emergency fund in a separate account, not in your regular spending account. Also, don't use a credit card for emergencies unless it's absolutely necessary. Credit cards charge interest, which means you'll pay more in the long run. Remember, this money is for real emergencies, not shopping sprees. Now let's recap. Saving is important because emergencies happen. Start small, even $5 per week helps. Cut unnecessary expenses to free up money. Automate your savings so you don't forget. Look for ways to earn extra cash. Keep your emergency fund safe. It's never too late to start saving. And when the next emergency comes, you'll be ready. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let's help more people build good financial habits. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.